Good morning, students. How are you all? We have started our chapter number 7, Introduction to PowerPoint 2013. In this, we have already completed the topic Introduction and how to start a PowerPoint 2013. Right? Now, today we will go through the topic Elements of the PowerPoint. Right? Quick access toolbar. It contains button for the most commonly used commands such as save, undo and redo. So there is a toolbar, that is a quick access toolbar, and it generally contains the options save, undo and redo. So this is look at here on the screen, this is a quick access toolbar, right, of the PowerPoint presentation, right? So it contains save, undo and redo. Title bar. It is displayed at the top of the PowerPoint window. It displays the name of the presentation currently open. To the right of the title bar, there are 3 buttons: minimize, maximize, restore and close button. So this is a title bar. This is a title bar. Here 2 button: minimize. This is the restore down button. When you will click on this, it will convert into the maximize button, and this is the close button. And here is the title, that is the PowerPoint window, Microsoft PowerPoint window, and name of the presentation mentioned over here. Ribbon. It is displayed just below the title bar. It contains multiple tabs. The tabs contain various commands divided into groups. So this is a ribbon. This portion is known as the ribbon. ये ribbon का portion है, right? There are many tabs over here, and each tab have different list of commands. हर tab की अपनी एक list of command है. Dialog box launcher. It is an icon that appears in some groups at the bottom right corner. On clicking, a dialog box opens that provide more command related to that group. Okay. Slide navigation pan. The slide navigation pan allows you to view all the slides in your presentation. Okay, the slide navigation pan generally help us to view all the slides that we have made in one on the right side of the slide. Okay. So you can add, delete, duplicate and rearrange the slide in the slide navigation pan. So this is a slide navigation pan. Okay. Whenever you add the slide, it will come एक के बाद एक वो स्लाइड्स ऐसे छोटे छोटे फॉर्मेट में अपीयर होती रहेगी. इन दिस यू कैन डू द प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ डिलीटिंग, सेविंग, रिमूविंग, डुप्लीकेटिंग और एनी यू कैन रीअरेंज द स्लाइड्स ऑल्सो, राइट? Ruler. There are 2 rulers, vertical ruler and located at the left side of the slide, current slide, and horizontal ruler located at the top of the current slide. Ruler make it easy to align the text and objects on the current slide. Okay, there is a ruler on the page, right? जो slide होती है उस पे 2 rulers होते हैं, left side और the हॉरिजॉन्टली एंड द वर्टिकली. जब हमें कुछ भी टेक्स्ट को मूव कराना होता है, एक जैसा मूव कराना होता है और अलाइन करना होता है किसी भी टेक्स्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट को करंट स्लाइड में, वी कैन डू इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ द रूलर. स्लाइड पैन. द करंटली सिलेक्टेड स्लाइड इज displayed in the slide pan at the center of the PowerPoint window. You can view and edit the slide in the slide pan. Right? You can in the slide pan you can do editing or you can view the slides that you have already made on the PowerPoint window. Placeholder. It is a dotted rectangular box on the slide that can hold text, image and etc. Okay, placeholder. What is a placeholder? It is a dotted रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स, किसी भी स्लाइड पे 2 रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स मेंशन ऑलरेडी आपको प्रेजेंट दिखेंगे, जहाँ पे नॉर्मली लिखा होता है क्लिक टू ऐड टाइटल और क्लिक टू ऐड सब टाइटल, राइट। ऑन दैट यू कैन होल्ड द टेक्स्ट, इमेज और एक्सेट्रा। आप वहाँ पे कुछ भी डाल सकते हो, टेक्स्ट, इमेज और आपको जो भी डालना है उसमें। नोट्स, दिस एरिया इज यूज टू एड स्पीकर्स नोट टू द करंट स्लाइड। देयर इज अ area where you can add the notes. So here is the area where you can add notes, and these are the placeholders. These are the placeholders. Comments, reviewer can insert comment on any slide. Click comments to view comments for the current slide. There is an option of comment. You can click on the comment section and you can comment on any of the current slide. View button, you can view the slide using one of the following button. Normal, it is a default view. This view shows the slide navigation pane and the selected slide. Slide sorter, it displays thumbnail of all the slides in the presentation. It displays a thumbnail means छोटी छोटी slides को एक presentation के form में आपको present कर देगा, ठीक है। Reading view, it hides all the editing tools to make your slide easier to review. Reading views की help से ये जितने भी outlining वगैरह होती है presentation को एक clear form में आपके सामने present करेगा. Slide show, it displays the slide in the presentation one by one on the screen. When you press the button slide show, then it will show the slide one by one. जो आपने slides बनाई है वो एक के बाद एक अपना आप दिखाएगा. You need not to press any button on the keyboard after pressing the slide show, right? Zoom control, click and drag the slider to use the zoom control. The number on the right of the slider reflects the current zoom present. You can also click the fit slide to current window button to the right of the zoom control. Okay, zoom control की help से हम presentation को बड़ा या छोटा कर सकते हैं, right? We can zoom it or we can squeeze it. That is, or you can make it fit to the current window, right? By using the zoom control button of the slide presentation. Scroll bar. There are 2 scroll bars, vertical and horizontal, in the PowerPoint window. There are 2 types of scroll bar present on your PowerPoint presentation, okay, vertical and horizontal. Click, hold and drag a scroll bar depending on what part of slide you want to see. Now if you want to see any part of the slide, what you will do, click and hold and drag the scroll bar. You will click and hold and drag the scroll bar, and it depends on what part of a slide you want to see. Templates. Now what are the templates? A template is a pre-designed presentation that include custom formatting and design. It can save a lot of time and effort when starting a new presentation. Okay, what are the templates? These are the pre-designed presentation. ये पहले से ही बनी होती हैं आपके उसमें, आपको बस इसमें थोड़ी सी फॉर्मेटिंग करनी होती है और थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड वगैरह कुछ भी आप चेंज कर सकते हो, and it helps in saving a lot of time and effort, right? So here ends your topic. In next class we will go through how to create a new presentation. Thank you.